We need to get under budget as we finish. Where are we getting our flooring from?
The lumberyard and the big box stores don't care about your margins. We do. On average, spec builders save over 40% on their flooring material costs by ordering direct from ReallyCheapFloors.com. Check out our Palmetto Road 5-inch first quality solid hardwood. Order over the phone at $2.99 today. Check out our whiskey and wine 7.5-inch wide engineered hardwood in first quality. Place an order at $2.79 per square foot over the phone today. Or maybe our Noble's Way Winter River with 7.25-inch wide engineered hardwood in first quality is what you're after. Place an order at $1.99 per square foot today. Get your hard costs down with Really Cheap Floors. Visit our website to get under budget today.